The automotive world is changing, and BYD is leading the charge with their first ever dual cab ute. Today, we're diving deep into something truly revolutionary, the 2025 BYD Shark 6 plug-in hybrid ute. Now, forget everything you know about traditional diesel utes, because the Shark 6 is here to shake things up. We've just completed an epic 1,800-kilometer journey through the harshest conditions Australia has to offer. And let me tell you, we've got some fascinating insights to share. The Shark 6 represents a fundamental departure from conventional ute architecture. At its core is a dual-motor electric drivetrain configuration, with independent motors positioned at each axle. The primary power source is an advanced battery pack integrated directly into the ladder frame chassis, supported by a turbo petrol engine functioning primarily as a generator. This innovative powertrain configuration eliminates the need for traditional mechanical components like transfer cases, manual gearboxes, and differential locks. The electric drive system delivers instantaneous torque through all four wheels. Our testing revealed acceleration metrics that consistently outperform conventional diesel powertrains, with the vehicle demonstrating remarkable throttle response even under heavy loads. The turbo petrol generator engages seamlessly when additional power is required, maintaining optimal battery charge levels while contributing to direct propulsion during high-demand scenarios. Let's examine the suspension architecture. BYD has implemented a sophisticated double wishbone independent rear suspension with coil springs, departing from the traditional leaf spring setup found in most utility vehicles. Our extensive testing through various terrain types demonstrated superior articulation and improved road holding compared to conventional solid axle configurations. The suspension calibration in the latest iteration provides notably enhanced damping characteristics and body control. Critical performance metrics from our testing reveal interesting patterns. Under sustained high-speed conditions, fuel consumption averaged 14 to 16 liters per 100 kilometers, with the white test vehicle, designated Great White, recording slightly higher figures due to additional accessories, including an aluminum bull bar and prototype roof racks. These consumption rates reflect our strategic decision to maintain a 70% battery charge level throughout testing, necessitating increased generator usage. Our comprehensive terrain assessment protocol included multiple surface types: loose gravel, corrugated tracks, sand, and rocky inclines. The electric drivetrain demonstrated exceptional characteristics in low-speed technical sections, where the instant torque availability and precise motor control provided superior obstacle negotiation compared to traditional diesel powertrains. The vehicle maintained stability through various challenging scenarios, though we noted a peculiar behavior when crossing raised cattle grids under cruise control, manifesting as momentary acceleration upon rear-wheel touchdown. Tire selection proved crucial during testing. Our evaluation included both the standard Continental Highway terrain tires and Cooper all-terrain alternatives. The Continental setup delivered superior noise suppression and on-road comfort, but proved vulnerable to punctures in harsh conditions. The Cooper all-terrains demonstrated enhanced durability, but introduced additional road noise. Both configurations maintained acceptable grip levels across various surfaces. The vehicle's energy management system deserves particular attention. The sophisticated power distribution algorithm constantly optimizes between electric drive and generator support. The large infotainment display provides comprehensive real-time energy flow visualization, though we noted the absence of a traditional fuel gauge, replaced by digital readouts for range estimation and battery percentage. Several practical aspects warrant mention. The vehicle-to-load V2L charging capability transforms the Shark 6 into a mobile power station, supporting various auxiliary equipment. The vehicle accommodates 91 Romanian lay fuel, enhancing practicality in remote locations. Multiple full-size spare tire mounting points demonstrate thoughtful consideration for extended remote operation. Throughout the 1,800-kilometer test route, we monitored various durability indicators. The electrical systems maintained consistent performance despite exposure to high temperatures and dust. The chassis demonstrated good structural integrity across challenging terrain, though we noted some wind noise from the prototype roof rack system at highway speeds, remedied with temporary modifications. In context with current market offerings, the Shark 6 represents a significant technological advancement. While it challenges conventional assumptions about utility vehicle design, our testing confirms its capability to meet or exceed traditional performance requirements while introducing additional functionality through its hybrid powertrain. The data from our comprehensive testing protocol indicates that BYD has successfully integrated advanced hybrid technology into a practical utility vehicle format. The elimination of traditional mechanical complexities, combined with sophisticated electronic control systems, results in a vehicle that maintains utility capabilities while advancing powertrain efficiency and functionality. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.